everybody, welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen, where I show you don't have to be a chef to make delicious plant-based meals. Today we're making cashew gravy. This stuff is amazing. Even my anti-vegan relatives eat this at Thanksgiving. It's a simple recipe with just 5 or 6 ingredients. Let's get started. You're gonna put everything in a blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender, it's okay. You don't need one, you can use a regular blender. We're gonna start with half a cup of raw cashews. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons Bragg's liquid amino acids. We're gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of onion powder with half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup of hot water. You wanna make sure your water's been warmed up. It doesn't have to be boiling, but it should be pretty hot. Now I'm just gonna blend it until it's super creamy. If you're not using a high-speed blender, just make sure you blend it till there's no chunks. Once it's blended, take it over to your stove, pour it in a pan, and add a 2nd cup of hot water. Then you're gonna heat it over medium-low heat, stirring it occasionally until it's thickened. Okay, it has thickened up to a thickness that I really like. Now we're ready to serve it. Like I said, you can put this on anything, but I love to serve it on things like tofu steaks and veggies. Here's what I'm eating for dinner tonight: tofu steaks, veggies, and delicious cashew gravy. Enjoy.